Hiya, I'm Lottie Price from Ruffians Covent Garden. I hope everyone's doing well in isolation and keeping safe. I'm just going to go through with you today some styling. So obviously I'll do it with curly hair. So I'm going to use the Ruffians hair cream, and I'm going to use the Ruffians matte clay. So I'm going to use the hair cream for nourishment and keeping moisture, because curls really need moisture. Obviously you get breakage and frizz. And then the matte clay, again, that's really good for moisture because it's all completely natural product. But also for the actual styling of it, it just creates really sort of nice, loose, natural curls, and really good body, where you can kind of still move it around, but it still keeps shape. So I'll do that from wet hair and just go through with you how to use the product, how much of it to use, how to kind of distribute it and put it in. All of our products are completely natural, which is brilliant for the hair. You've got no chemicals in there. They're sea kelp based and they've got lots of vitamins in them. So really good for healthy hair. So I'll just go off now and wet my hair, and then I'll come back and go through how we do it. So we have wet hair. So obviously you don't want it to be absolutely dripping wet, so you want to towel dry it. When you're towel drying, just make sure that you're not kind of doing this with your hair. You just want to scrunch it just to keep all the curls together. You want it to stay as natural as possible and not break your curls up, because that'll just create frizz. So first off, I'm going to use the hair cream. So just kind of use a pea-size amount really in the palm of your hand, and then just rub that through your hands, not too much so it kind of soaks in. And then you want to scrunch that through your hair, just so it's really sort of evenly distributed. You don't want to comb through curls at all unless you use a wide tooth comb. Again, it just separates your curls. So anything like that, either wide tooth comb or literally just use your fingers into the roots and kind of zhuzh it up. So straight after using the curl cream, hair cream, I say curl cream because I use it for curls all the time, I can put the matte clay on. So that was this one here. Again, that's kind of just like pea-size amount. With this, I'll stand up for. So again, rub it onto your palms, but not so that it kind of absorbs into your palms. So I like to hang my head upside down and kind of work it all in. So the hair cream as the base will just keep it really nourished and moistured so that it doesn't dry out. And then this really is just creating your curls and keeping them together. And again, all over your hair. I'm growing all of this out at the moment, so apologies because it doesn't look the best. So scrunch all of that in. Now, so this is when you could either use a diffuser on your hairdryer. If you are going to use a diffuser, keep it on medium to low heat, and then sort of low power, and then just kind of put it on each part of your head as you work around your head. Again, doing this kind of with your head upside down really helps for your volume. and then work round. You don't need to kind of hover it over and move it all around, because the diffuser itself is doing that for you. And anything like this is just, you could just be breaking up your curls, which you don't want to do. I always leave mine to dry naturally, because mine can dry out quite easily. So just to keep any heat away from it really works best for me. So I'll leave it as it is for now, and I'll leave it to dry out naturally, and then I'll be back just to show you how it is dried and then scrunching it out just to create shape and volume. Okay, see you in a bit. Hello, I am back with pretty much dry hair. So you can see that it's all kind of dried on, so it does look like it is a bit wet, but it's not, it's just the product. So with that, you just want to scrunch it all out, just like you did when you put it on really, because you can see it's quite flat here. Obviously I've just scrunched this side a bit, but when it's dry it can look a bit flat, so you do need to just scrunch it all out just to get your volume. And this is kind of where you're shaping it as well. When it is drying, you kind of want it in the style that you will wear it in, just to make it a lot easier for you. I just kind of wear mine quite big and puffy. Again, just to lift the curls, just use your fingers on the roots to lift it up. Voila! So yeah, you can just see that all of the curls kind of stay together. Any that haven't, you can always just kind of pull that bit out and twist it, so it'll go back all together. It's just the products used that will do that, just to capture any moisture in the hair and keep it in there, so you don't get any frizz. And then obviously with the matte clay, just to create that sort of whatever shape it is you want. And you can use this, it's the same technique for if you've got long curly hair or really short curls, exactly the same. So the thing that you're really going for is just to keep your natural curl shape, and just to keep your curls together. So yeah, I hope you've found it useful. Any questions, please just give me a shout. I'm on Lottie Price _hair. I do some other sort of tutorial videos of cutting and things like that as well, for in the normal times, and also for now if you're attempting any DIY cutting. I've got a few step-by-step bits that you can attempt to do without ruining your style. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, try not to go too mad, and hopefully see you all soon. Bye!